Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine. I am your biology teacher and my name is Farah Anjum. Welcome to AppSix online support program. This is day 1 of week 8 and we are discussing chapter number 7, that is bioenergetics. Students, we have done with our topic, that is photosynthesis, and today we are going to perform an experiment to show that light is essential for the process of photosynthesis. This is the overview of experiment to show that light is essential for photosynthesis, and here apparatus you are seeing. Material required for our practical is a healthy potted plant, a petri dish, a beaker containing water, forceps, a water bath, a piece of wire gauze, a tripod, a burner, a box of matches, alcohol, a strip of black pepper, iodine solution, and clips. Let's move for the procedure, and point number 1 is we first take the potted plant and then keep it in our dark place for 2 to 3 days. Why we keep it in dark place? Because we want the leaves to get de-starched. De-starched meaning the elimination of starch, and we done it by taking the potted plant in a dark place, and due to the lack of photosynthesis in the place, stored starch is used up, thus the plant is de-starched. Okay, I hope you get my point. Point number 2 is cover a part of one of its leaf with your with a strip of black pepper. Make sure that you cover both the sides of the leaf. Okay, now place this plant in the sunlight for 3 to 4 hours. Now pluck the selected covered leaf and remove the black pepper covering it. Place this leaf in the beaker containing water and boil it for 10 minutes. Then after that, take out the leaf and now boil it in alcohol using the water bath for 10 minutes. This process removes the chlorophyll. Now take out the leaf and wash it under a running water. Place this leaf in the petri dish and put a few drops of iodine solution. Dear students, we have done the experiment of starch in which we use iodine, and iodine always gives blue color when starch is present. Now we are going to observe the change in color. Now students, we observe that the part of the leaf which is covered not turn blue black, but the remaining part of the leaf which is green turn blue black. Okay, as the covered region did not receive light and photosynthesis did not occur, hence no starch was formed there, and the uncovered region received light and starch was formed there due to the photosynthesis. Students, our result is light is essential for photosynthesis because the covered part of the leaf has no starch, and the uncovered, when we put the iodine solution on it, it turns into blue black. That it confirms that starch is present. So the result is light is essential for photosynthesis. By doing experiment, we learn about the necessity of light. If you have any query or question, you can ask anytime. Thank you, take care, and have a nice day.